Good morning, everybody. How are we today? Oh, hold on. I didn't realize my camera moved. That's because my stupid little chameleon was climbing on it. There we go. All right, how are you today? Who do we got here so far? Hold on, let me mute myself. There we go. We got Kyrian is back. We got SS Trace. Morte's in here looking to short some stocks. We got Blair back in here. Blair's keeping up his green streak. He's looking to go in, what, 14, 15 days in a row, Blair? Blair's killing it. We got Morte just made my money and one trade for the day. Shorted. I'm telling you guys, Morte was ready to short. Morte was ready to short. I don't have my desktop audio enabled, right? Nope, I did not. Alright, cool. Alright, so VERU did not hit a high. I expected VRU to hit a high to pre-market today. It's probably a good thing. It might be a bad thing. It didn't hit a high. We might get some continuation today. Ape Trades is back. Ape Trades has been on vacation again. Ape Trades is living the life. Right, you were on vacation, right? If I turn this on, do y'all hear this fan a lot, or is... Do y'all hear that fan or no? Let me know if y'all hear that fan or if it bothers you guys. It's a tiny little fan. Saludos, Juanito. Gracias. Buenos días. I'm guessing you speak Spanish. Blair's on 13 days green. Gap scanner looks pretty slim. I haven't even looked at it. AGRI. I saw AGRI start rallying up yesterday, so it looks like that. Figure that would be on the scanners today. What's our all-time high for AGRI? So we got some higher levels up here at 5. And then we got another one up here somewhere at 606, and then 715 all high. Oh my gosh, 3 graduations to attend. Bro, graduation, I hate sitting through graduations, dude. They take so, well, actually, it depends on the school. I went to a pretty big high school, and there was like, I think like, no, I'm getting cold. There was like, I think like 800 of us. And so we sat there for such a long time. And then obviously my brothers went to the same high school, so I had to sit through theirs just about as long as well. Not fun, not fun. Alright, so we do have a GRI, VERU still. I drew the support on VERU. If we start trading up here at open or something like that and then come down to one of these little supports from yesterday and then 3 pre-market lows right there, I will look into getting a dip trade in there, break 7.2. 7.5 is what we want. If we squeeze through 7.5, we can get 18, something like that. Indo was a play from yesterday. Sniper Traits was trying to play this one. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I had so many people in my high school, man. 103? Dang. Check out Gina's. Yeah, that's the one. Morte made his money. Are you done for the day, Morte? Is that all you're trading? Okay, let me put these on the side. So we got, what happened to AUVI yesterday? Okay, hit that high in the morning and then nothing else. So I'm actually going to get rid of that one and replace it with AGRI. So we got AGRI on our side chart. We got VERU on our side chart. We got, what's the other one? Genus on our side chart. Let's go look and put Genus on there. It is a little bit of a cheaper stock, so I don't know that I will actively be looking for a trade there. If I see a setup, I'll jump over there. But VERU off of that low that I was just saying. Look at that. VERU off that. Okay, now we gotta put one up here, and we wait. VRU, man. VRU can get interesting today. And then what was the other one? Yeah, Mortis said, yeah, that was my day trade for the day. I made paper trade just to get some more training under my belt. Hey, nothing wrong with that. Appreciate you being in here anyways, though, so good job on your trade. Which one was I looking to look at? Oh, the other Gapper, NCMI. Nobody's mentioned that one. Does it not look good? Yeah, it does not look good. Now I know why. What else is up here? Nothing with volume, man. BBIG, maybe? BBIG? Whoa. BBIG? Whoa. Can I type BBIG? Ape Trades, I knew you were going to be on today, so look what I wore for you. Hoodie. I'm just kidding. Alright, so what we got? So AGR, how much time do we got to the bell? Oh, we got 10 minutes. We're good. We got 10 minutes still. Back when there was like 10, 15 gappers a day, it took 15 minutes to go over them. Now I can quickly look at them in 3 minutes and then just sit here for a while. But, Alzen Sama, good morning, man. How are you? Who else? Did I miss anybody in here? Checkers, saludos. I said hi to Checkers, Morte Blair, SS Straits, Kyrian back. Keep you on under your belts. Let's see. Okay, okay. Ooh, high is 1274 up here. Oh, that's a little high, but this works. This works. All I need is a little bit of volume on this one to pick up. I don't want to trade a stock like this without volume. But so far looks good. Debbie, good morning, Debbie. How are you doing today? I'm gonna put that one on the side just in case. Cause I got an empty room. Might as well use it, right? Might as well use it. Debbie's doing good, nice. Blair said, Dan, I was so close to trading VRU just now pre-market. All good though. Yeah, I saw that that bottom on VRU, and I even was saying it right here. If you want to take some trades up here, even when we open market, bounce off of there, that'll be good. Joey is in here as well. Good morning, Joey. So I think Sean is having his seminar this week, right? AGRI, good spot for a reversal as well. I like that this one's pulling back. Not that it's pulling back a little, probably too much that I want it. It's under VWAP and under this level right there of $3.04. I guess it's holding 3 now. Yeah, $3. But this is also going to be good for a market open, or at least 10-15 minutes into market open. Looks good, looks good. VRU and AGRI look good. I haven't had a really big day in a while, so I'm looking for my $2,000 day again. Second place. Not that I'm going to force a big trade, but I'm just waiting patiently for a big trade to size up, to really step in. Just haven't seen it recently. Have not seen it recently. Alright, what else do we got? How is our big stocks doing since I got some time? Let's go look at Tesla. Tesla is still within that little flag pattern. So whether we break up or down, just keep it on watch. There it is. I think we should get more room back up on Tesla. Look how low we are. But this still looks like sellers. Look, it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles to come up. It takes 2 to come down. AGR said, careful going long on Genus. $1 is very strong resistance, and even though it had news, it is known to be a huge pump and dump. Let's go look at the bigger time frame on Genus. So Genus has spiked up to $1.14 and failed. Spiked up before that to $1.03 and failed. Actually, was that above $1 for a while. That'd be interesting if we get over $1 and hold $1. Is that why you just shorted the $1? Mark Morte, did you just short the $1 on Genus? Yep. Nice. Hold on. All right, back. VERU pulling back to VWAP. I really hope VRU gives us another play. Yesterday close was pretty good. Here would have been a good trade. So you see this pretty strong resistance right there. Right into market close, you see. Remember, guys, I'm telling you that nobody wants to hold a short position going into the close, right? They don't know what's going to happen after market. They don't know what's going to happen pre-market. Most people probably don't want to hold short overnight. Plus, you have to pay extra commissions to hold that. So a lot of people will probably just cover, right? So you got almost a double top here, broke out of it, and then pulled back. So almost kind of a triple top right there. What's up, Panagos? Welcome in. So you got a triple top right here almost, right? And then you come back up, take a dip right there, take this entry right there for the break of that, and start riding it up through here. Especially within 10 minutes of market close, strong resistance there. You're going to fly through that. And this one I wouldn't have been scared to hold into close because you know that more people are going to keep covering. I really thought today we would get another move up here and then consolidate at the 17 tier right there. But somehow we haven't. So we'll see if we have an opportunity to make a trade on it. All right. Mersa, welcome in, Mersa. Desperanza, good morning. I see you type in. We have VERU on watch. We have AGRI on watch. We got Genus on watch. And then Morte's also calling out UONE as well. So have that on watch. Sniper Trades. Sniper Trades is in here. What are you looking at, Sniper Trades? Same stocks that I just mentioned. Carrion, are you trading today, Carrion? PIK for Blair? Okay, not bad either. PIK. Carrion is trading today, awesome. Genus, BRQS, BRQS. Oh, BRQS is pretty cheap. RDBX. RDBX is still in play? AGRI at open, I see. I honestly want to see if VRU at open drops down to that same support. So AGRI, I want it over $1.03 for sure. Wait, no, $3.05 for sure. I was thinking of this other one. Sorry. So putting alerts everywhere. This one does not look good at all. So VRU, I want to see if VRU comes down to this support and then start scaling in a little bit. I keep saying that, and I do keep getting in. I think I scaled in 2 days ago with 500 shares, and I was like, I'm just going to hold these, and then I never held them. And then I scaled in again yesterday somewhere down here, and I was like, I'm just going to hold these, and then I never held them. So probably not going to hold them today, but that's my plan. We are live. VRU on the climb up. Ooh, AGRI on the climb up as well. Do I like it though? No, I'm fine. Genus on the climb today. These are all probably just fake outs. They're all probably just going to turn around and come back down. All of them turned around. What the heck? VRU is the only one holding. AGRI is completely tanking. Genus is completely tanking. Momentum Scanner is live, guys. Remember to keep a lookout on that. Sometimes I might miss a stock, so if you look at it and take a trade, good for you. Make sure to call it out. I'll give you commissions. I'm just kidding. Mind it though. Okay, so I'm still waiting on VERU. Let's see what it's gonna do. AGRI is unfortunately tanking. So what's the price right now? VRU $16. So we gotta get over 17, and then 17.5 is our target. So where's $17 at? Way up here. Okay, okay. Possible. We just gotta be patient and wait for a trade. Morte so far is the only one that's already taken a trade, and he's green. So now he's joining us with paper money. Staying in the stream to support, to watch, to learn, to ask questions, to help other people as well. So thank you, Morte. Kieran's trading with us. Merce is here. Ape Traits is back. He's got a lot of stuff going on, moving and graduations and life and, newlywed. Blair trying to keep his streak going on. Getting DPS. Let's go to DPS. DPS is halted? How is that halted? Wait. DPSI. I thought that was an exclamation mark. High is 1489. What's the high of today? 12.5. Oh, this is a risky stock. This is a risky play here. How does the 180 chart look before that? Pretty clean, actually. This is a risky play here for sure. I'm going to mark this. I'm taking out UON. TS84 is in here as well. DPSI. I'm going to put that on my side chart. There's VRU to that bottom. Support. Can we actually hold this support? That's a key level right there. Triple bottom there, and this matches up with another one. Sniper Traits is already up 400 on 50 on RDBX. He did call the RDBX right before market open, so good job there, Sniper Trades. VRU, I missed that bottom on VRU. I've been calling it all day. I said if it drops down to somewhere in here, I'm going to take a stab at it and let it go. I went to go look at DPSI, which DPSI looks good. This is a risky play for sure. Putting alerts on it just to see where it opens, when it opens, just to be aware of it. AGRI still pulling back. We got AFRM on my momentum scanner. I remember this stock as well, somewhere in the 20s. There it is, a new high today actually. But it hit a high and it's pulling back, so be careful there. Is anybody buying the halt resumption on DPSI? Is anybody getting in on this one at all? This is a very risky trade. Look how fast these stocks are moving. The spreads are almost $1. I mean, on their side, they're only $1. You have to zoom out to see the cents. That means a smaller share size is going to be a lot on these plays right here, which means potential to make a lot, but also means potential to lose a lot. So that's why I've been calling this one pretty risky. What time did it get halted? It got halted at 8:30. Is that 8:31 or 32? 31. We're sitting at 35 right now, so that's 4 minutes in. Can resumption be in 5 minutes? Some part of me is telling me that this is just going to halt again, but I'm not playing these games of just chasing this move if it's going to halt again, but it might. Did you say there was news on DPSI, Blair? Ride or die. 5 minutes coming up right now. Let's see if it actually unhalts. Let's just see what DPSI does come out of halt. VRU finally getting a little bit of a move up to 16.2. VRU is gonna test that downtrend resistance that I also drew from pre-market high and that second spike closer to 609. So connect those points. You got a downtrend resistance that VRU is approaching, and it's pulled back right on that. So Sniper Trades did snipe that trade on RDBX from 391 to 415. Almost 20 cents there. No news on DPSI. More to the only thing I see is DPSI was yesterday's Q1 earnings. Okay. Sounds good. Looks like this is not a 5 minutes, so PIK for Blair. PIK, I like PIK. That should have been my entry right there, Blair. I remember you asked me yesterday that break of VWAP and a little pullback. That was your entry right there. What's the next pivot? 251. Blair. Yeah, you got it though. You got it. Yeah, I just want to see what the PSI does, but AGRI climbing back up again. Also have a downtrend resistance on that one. At the same time. VRU is on its fourth touch of today on that trend line, so I probably would not suggest buying that one, especially after that very strong rejection on that previous one. PIK I do like though, so let's keep watching PIK, see if we actually start squeezing up. There's that next point. 250s is the next level right here. 250 is what we got to break and hold. AGRI also trying to climb back up. I want to take a trade, man. I don't want to sit here all day and just look at candles. GPSI is still halted. 31 to 38. Been 7 minutes, I think. So PIK is one of the better stocks right now. It looks like FARM is hitting another high on my momentum scanner, but that was a $26 stock, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. AGRI, I want AGRI over $3.05, and it's back to that level. PIK, it's looking decent, but it's kind of stalling out. That red candle had a pretty big volume on it. Let's see if we get a little bit more of a pullback and then more buyers come in and then really rip up through this level on the next one. So look at all these buyers down here. VRU broke that downtrend, that uptrend support that I was mentioning. So good call there to stay away from it. I want to get in on PIK here if we dip to that VWAP. So I'm in starter on PIK. Let's see if buyers start coming back in here. Defend this point, start coloring back up. DPSI is still halted, it looks like. PIK looked good at this little VWAP, but now every time I buy, buyers don't come in. Oh, big flush on AGRI. Sorry if you were getting in on that one. Who was just calling it ape trades? Yep, I got out right before that. I saw sellers come in, so I took out half a little bit. And here's the buyers coming in, backing up that point. Let's see if we can start coloring back up. Yeah, there we go. Take some profit out just to secure. There is DPSI. That is definitely going to squeeze again. That is definitely going to squeeze again. Yep. Look, did you see that candle open and then after that? Oh, and I just got out of this one. Are you serious? PIK, watch PIK. Let's see if we can really start opening up on PIK. Let's see if we can start opening up again. Start popping up. Start popping up. Let's see. Here's a little dip. Another little dip. There we go. Let's see if we can start popping up. Let's see if we can start popping up. Take some profit there. Take some profit there. Got 2,500 shares. Let's take out a little bit there. So I got 2,000 shares left. Exactly 2,000 shares left. I'm gonna see if this one lets my runners finally run for once in a lifetime. Let my runners. Son of a biscuit, lion sack of donkey nipple crap, man. No runners ever. So DPSI, the way that DPSI candle popped, so it opened red, flushed down, held that. I was in a trade at that moment, so I said that is definitely going to squeeze a little bit more. I completely left it alone. I was not watching that stock, so I left that one alone. But when you see that candle pop red and dip down and don't break below that level, whatever it's at, so it just holds right there, you're going to see buyers step in real quick and then get rid of all of those people and come right back up. So which stock was I just trading? PIK, right? PIK. Let's go back to PIK and see if we can get another trade here. We double topped at 250, so 251 was our pivot point. 250 obviously psychological resistance, half dollar, whole dollar plays there. I was in on this play again, 10,000 shares, took out some profit, $200. Runners are never in my favor, so no, I had stepped away for a second, missed PIK. Ooh, there we go. Are we gonna keep holding this move? Did we close above 251? 251. Do we close above 251? Remember, we caught him off guard, but are we actually going to beat him? Are we actually going to hold it? These are some of the ones you want to chase, but in this market, I'm not chasing anything. I'm going to wait for confirmations. So let's see if we can, if this candle holds, buyers step in, next candle gives a dip, and then we rip. Let's get in here. Let's see if we move higher. There we go. Move higher. Can we rip? Can we actually rip? I got a lot of shares ready. Take a little bit more off. 5,000 shares still left. Please let my runners go, man. Please let my runners go. Please. What? What? Guys, I cannot believe this. My runners have literally stalled out of energy recently, guys. This is ridiculous. That should have been an $800 trade with those 5,000 shares left. I didn't want to risk it flushing on me because as soon as it popped up, we couldn't break that. So I did not want to hold those. I know I get that, but that was a lot of volume coming in. That play should have opened up. Should have squeezed a little bit more. I was ready. I think on that. Hold on. We ain't done. We're gonna break through this. Take a dip down there. Whoa, oh no, I didn't get filled high. I think I got in on time. Take some profit out. This is the actual squeeze to pre-market. Here we go. Take a little bit more out. How are we double topping, man? How are we double topping? 1,500 shares left. I'm gonna select the 500. Take some out there just in case. So now I got 1,000 shares left. I think I made a little bit more profit on this trade. I was up 450, 60. I don't remember. Up 580 now. So let's keep watching. I'm gonna stop out. I don't want this to flush on me. AGRI back up to 305. So 305 testing on AGRI. So that is why I got out of that one double top and could not hold that level. So I decided to protect my wins there. Let's go look at AGRI. So double top there. Let's see if we can. Okay. So when you see that double top, sometimes you can get on the next dip and at least try to test it. That's the same thing I just did on. Oh, let me put keep PIK on my side chart. What is up with that? Okay. Uh, so if you see that, a lot of times I will take that next one at least try to get up to it, but I still think PIK will hit a high today. PIK not save until it breaks 261. Yeah, but if it gets close to 261, I'm taking profit. So that's what I'm looking for. You do take those trades above it, so I'm sure you got an order ready at 263, 64 for that continuation. That's a good trade there. This could have been a little bit dip entry on AGRI. Double top, you got a strong volume, pulled back a little bit, get on that dip, and then try to ride it up. I honestly think DPSI is about to come unhalted, and then, oh, actually, just unhalted now. Let's see. Ugh. Ouch. OPIK. PIK is struggling, man. Anybody take that dip trade on, I'm looking for the best shorts. Oh, I think you deleted that trade. Never mind. So hitting pre-market resistance, more to call it out on PIK. That's correct. 261 is my entry for 15 cents. Move to 285 on PIK. There is a break of AGRI. That's the one I was just about to ask you guys if anybody got in on this candle dip right here. Now don't chase this candle now. You need that candle close above it and see if you can get a continuation on that one. So don't chase this one yet. You might take a dip back off of the 305 level, but there's that VRU cracked. I'm telling you guys, that uptrend resistance that I had drawn, if we gave that out, we were going to flush. That was your short entry. If you see this move there, that's a big resistance. That's a big shorts play right there. You get close to that resistance, you take that break, downtrend break, and short that thing all the way down. So that's why everybody piled in. Let's see, quickly glance through our stocks. BBIG. BBIG has a high of 324, and we're trading at 312. Pretty close. Let's keep watching it. PIK is still in that tight range. Ultra unhalted. Sniper trades. I do like your trade idea on PIK. The only thing I'm scared about is if you get a new high, pop up, and then flush right back down, right? With a stock like this where you got pretty tight consolidation here of 4 candles that can't break it. That's still telling me there's a lot of shorts. You might spike them, caught them off guard, but they might just come in and flush you right back down. So I'd be scared of that happening. I know that's how you trade, but you're good at it, so you know what you're doing. So Morte said people may be leaving DPSI and going to PIK. PIK looks like the best play for me right now. AGRI as well came back up to that 305, kind of broke it a little bit, but came back down. So PIK, you could have been buying this right here, the 251. I marked that one off of these body candles earlier, and that's our break. That was our mini pullback there. That's too much of a flush. Don't catch a falling knife. If this pulls back up to there, that's a different story. But right now, you're catching a falling knife, so don't do that. Yeah, DPSI is halted on the downside. I saw that. If this candle pulls back to here to 252, if buyers come right back up to 252, this can be good. That'll really slap the shorts in the face. Okay, then you'll just stop out, which is cool. Okay, okay, cool, cool, cool. It'll just be a losing trade. Good idea, good execution. Didn't work out. Part of trading. So currently up $577. Only taken, I think, 2 trades maybe. Took a trade here. Runners got stopped out. I got scared it would flush on me, and then same thing down here, waiting for that break. I'm telling you guys, these days, $500, $600 days should be $800 day, $900 day, $1,000 day. If these runners just would work in my favor once and for all, right? Not once and for all, once and forever, I guess. I know you too. What is the best short right now? Look at AGRI. I'm not saying it'll short, but watch this uptrend now support here. Look at that right there. So you got this little pattern where we broke them once, and they beat us back, right? So they took control. If you get stuck under VWAP again, you might take a short from VWAP back down to here and try to see if you can get a breakdown there, but I can't promise you that. Oh, you said Ultra is on halted. I thought you mistyped something. Now I see it on my momentum scanner. Oh, $30 stock is now $12. Ugh. PIK is still my top play. They got a little bit of a flush. They couldn't really get the move they want. So if we stop them here, we could turn around, come back up. So VWAP is holding as support now. Short locate is a little bit expensive on AGRI, then that sucks. What broker are you trading on, Kirian? Dang, I got 55 people watching today. Appreciate everybody being here. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the stream. If you're new, if you got any questions, like always, feel free to ask me. Any stock you want me to look at, feel free to mention it. PIK, want to see over 251 again. Here we go. Let's see. Kirian, trade 0. Okay. Kirian, possibly PIK. There we go. Sniper Trade said one trade only today with RDBX, profited at 450. Still watching PIK. For break at 261 area, entry 263 and target 280, 285 area. We'll set stop 255 if trade gets triggered. Cool. AGRI back up to that 3. Is that the 305 level on AGRI? Here's AGRI level 305 again. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th time. Can we actually break and hold this level? AGRI might start opening up if we hold this level and start squeezing. So here we go. I don't want to see a break and just fail. I want to see a break and hold. Let's start a starter there. Let's see if we can come back up and hold that level. There we go. See if we can come back and hold that level and get another move up. Just like that, just like that. Take a little bit of profit. Quick scalp there. 2,000 shares left. I took some at a profit, but didn't pull back up as much as I wanted to. So let's see if we can get another trade here. 2,000 shares left. It's failing on me. There we go. There's a buyer stepping in. I still want to see this candle close at 305. This candle closes at 305. We get a next move up. Here we go. 305 is holding. This is the 4th time we reached this level, so this makes it a little bit more likely for us to really get a move on our favor. PIK is still trying to get back up to that same 251, 252 area, whatever that is. I forget. This is not going to hold, so this is me chasing a little dip, but if this doesn't hold, I'll just stop out. If we start getting buyers before this candle closes, which is in 5 seconds, 5 seconds pull back up. If it pulls back up over 305, I will hold. If not, I'll start getting out there. $24, okay, not bad. So I tried getting fully out. I think I only filled 500 at that tip, just trying to get out break even, but $24 is not that bad. Juan, you're on a roll today with your commentary. Love it. 79 viewers. I don't know. Yesterday I just had a headache, man. Yesterday I just had a headache and it was just bothering me all day. I couldn't even look at the screen. My right eye was freaking pounding. All of that. Is it time for some music as well? I think it's time for some music as well, right? Let's put some music on for you guys. So, taking 2 trades today. Man, no trades still. Hey, Blair, don't rush your trades, man. You had one AGRI play. Where was it? Right there. Quick little scalp. You missed it. That's okay. Don't worry about it. You're still on a 13-day green streak, man. You're keeping it up. Millie, hey, what's up, man? Remember you from my DMs on Instagram, correct? That's you? Let's look at some other stocks, see what else we got. Ultra is the one that got halted. DPSI. We missed this first move. That candle came out out of on halt and held that VWAP. At that point, I was in on another trade, but I did mention we could probably squeeze a little bit more. Good thing I didn't jump in because now we're halted on the downside, and who knows when it's going to come unhalted. Who knows what level is going to come unhalted. It's going to go right back down to $6. PIK is still our top, one of our top players. I'm going to put an alert under 251. If we get over 251, 252 and hold that level, definitely will probably get a squeeze back up to 262. Sniper Trades is ready on his entry at 263, so we got to get him in a little trade there. Hanish waves hi at us. Good morning. Anish or Hanish? I don't know if I should pronounce that H or not. Do I pronounce the H? Do I not pronounce the H? Is it Anish or is it Hanish? BBIG still climbing up. Remember, we got a high of 324 on BBIG. With the H. Okay, cool. So now let's see if any other random stocks are popping up on my momentum scanner. We got VTNR. VTNR is an old stock. I've traded this stock several times. Oh, it's at all-time highs as well. A little bit of lower volume, so I might leave that one alone. AGRI is still at this 305 level. We cannot break that. Tried it almost once. I missed that entry. Tried it the second time. Was up 75 bucks. Never took my profit. And now it's pulling back. So VRU, we lost that uptrend support. So that was your short entry for everybody that was asking me shorts. You got an uptrend here of three pre-market bounces, but you also have that line up with this yesterday's low. So I plotted that today. Actually, pre-market, I almost took a trade in here. I hesitated. I don't usually trade pre-market, so I stayed away from it. And we got a clean move right up with that. Deckmar Trades, hey, how are you, man? Hope your seminar, hope you're traveling safe. All that stuff goes well this week, man. Appreciate you stopping by in here. Currently up about $500 and something, $24 loss on AGRI, and took one trade on PIK. PIK is still looking at 252, 251 level. Come up above that. Now we're below VWAP, so this is looking a little bit more bearish. DPSI is unhalted. Look at that. Didn't I say it's gonna go back down to $6? Look at this. DPSI. You traded today already? Yes, I traded today already. This is my shine moment. First 10-15 minutes of the day. Traded PIK on 2 moves. I believe I took a trade right up in here. Had a runner, like 7,500 share runner. Stopped out there, unfortunately. Jumped back in on here. Jumped in right there again. Took some profit. Had another $5,000 share runner. It didn't work in my favor. I should be up probably over $1,000 if those runners would have worked. This first one I got scared it would fell on me, so I stopped it out myself above break even, but this one should have ripped through. But yeah, currently up 577 on this one, and took a small dip trade on, not dip trade, trying a little breakout trade right up here on AGRI. Was up 75 bucks at the top of this candle here, and then I ended up just closing it a little bit under profit for $24 loss. So 101 viewers today. I'm guessing a lot of you guys are obviously coming from Sean Deckmar, so if you got any questions, guys, feel free to ask me. If you want to know anything about me, hope you like the stream, anything you guys have, man, let me know how everybody's doing as well today. Anybody taking any trades? Let's see. So I think I left up here. Grigor said, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Grigor. Juan, what do you think of VRU? How far will it go down? Honestly, I thought VRU today was the day it was going to squeeze. In my mind, I was thinking we were going to hit a pre-market high of that 17.5, which is our 180 chart resistance. So I was looking for that. Oh, I meant to make it bigger, not freaking. So that 17.5, I thought we were going to end up hitting that pre-market today, but we did not. So I thought we would hold this uptrend resistance here, but you could see the second we lost that uptrend support right there, we ended up flushing down. So at this point, I don't know that I would be catching this knife down here. You lost yesterday's resistance of that 15.13 as well, so that would have probably been a small add. But if you guys are first time here, bro, broker am I using? I am using Thinkorswim. Thank you, Morte, for answering that. Appreciate it. So I do use Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is a free broker, so I am not paying any commissions on here. I do have a little bit of issues with it. I tried Lightspeed, but just for commissions that I was paying and the amount of money in this market that I'm making, I decided to take my money back out within a week and come back to Thinkorswim. So now I can't complain about it too much because I'm stuck with it, you know? So, but yeah. Surprisingly, DPSI is actually holding. So if DPSI starts holding, starts climbing up, well, we can see if we can find a trade there. But Where am I from? I am originally from Mexico. If you cannot tell by my looks, maybe my accent. I don't think I have an accent anymore. I think my accent is completely gone. Yeah, I've actually gotten a lot of people, yeah, so I think it helps to have somebody. There's that 305 break on AGRI. Let's go look at it. This is what I always preach in my live streams. Watch that break, but watch that break to hold the level you want. Don't chase that level. Don't chase that breakout if it's not holding. In this case, at 305, right? Now this candle, if it closes above 305 barely, it's still 50% of that candle, so I don't want to jump in on that one. But yeah, the poncho gave it away. I wore this a lot during winter because it gets cold in my room, but I hadn't worn it in a while, and Ape Traits likes it, and I knew Ape Traits was going to be here today, so there we go. Yeah, BBIG, let's see, BBIG, what can I find on my watch list? There we go. 324 is a high on BBIG, yep, 324. Good clean breakout there, micro pullback on the next one. That's a good entry there, Blair. If you took that, that's a breakout trade, that's your micro pullback right there. Keep riding that momentum. I was not watching that one, so... Let's see. Let me go back because I think I missed a couple of comments. Noe Knox is down 500 on VRU. VRU is kind of tough. I'm not going to chase this one on BBIG. I don't think I want to chase that. I think I answered Lucky's question. Morty answered Lucky's question. Will, just saying what's up. Hey, Will, appreciate you being in here, man. Appreciate it. I am using Thinkorswim. Thanks Dart Trader for clarifying that as well. Jesperanza is calling out AGRI bounce. Sniper Trades, appreciate you saying that, man. Hopefully I can help a lot of people. There is a pretty good bounce on a VRU, so that's that 15-13 level that I called earlier. So watch to hold that level. The Poncho gave it away. That comment made me laugh. I just saw it again. There we go. That's exactly what I was saying on AGRI. Oh, there we go. Here's a clean move. Now can I want to chase this? Now do I want to chase this? I'm waiting to see what happens with this candle. If it's just going to be a small dip and rep through 324. I'm gonna get in on that one. Way down low right there. See if we can pop back up. Only 1,500 shares, up a good amount today, so I don't want to risk losing. Oh, this is like barely moving though. Oh, it's moving by tenths of cents, not even cents. That sucks. I don't even want to be in this trade. I didn't even look at the side spreads. Take some out there. Have 1,000 shares left. Take some out there. 319 is my average, so let's put a stop above 319 and see if... Oh, it's actually just sold me. $13 profit. Okay, whatever. Did not like that spread. It was not moving as much, but watch that 324 break as well. Am I in the East Coast or the West Coast? How about try it right in the middle? Texas, baby. Texas. I am in Texas. Genus. Somebody's calling out Genus. So that was a short play Morte took out this morning. Is this the break of downtrend? Somebody calling out the break of downtrend? Right there. PIK is unfortunately failing, guys. PIK looked like it could have been our best trade today. So PIK, same thing. People are asking me, where's the short entry? The short entry is your break of downtrend, your break of support, right? Right there. Actually, is this the one I told you? Polly's Pen, Texas too as well. Considering migrating out that way. I am closer to Austin. Not quite in Austin, but a little bit outside of Austin. So everybody was asking me, or some people were asking me, what's my short entry? There it is. You get squeezed with that VWAP. You could not break that VWAP. I don't know if this is the one I was actually calling out at all or not. You moved from New York City to Fort Worth, bro. Love it there. Love it here. Nice. Fort Worth is about 3 hours from me, I think. AGRI is breaking that ascending triangle, so watch for it to hold. This would be your short. You got uptrend support. You got stuck with the VWAP. You could not break VWAP. There's your flush, right? AGRI, if AGRI does not hold this, shorts are going to start piling in, man. Look at this. Look at this clean pattern all day long, right? Either we break out of it and start moving back up and really squeeze some of these people out, maybe even cause a halt or something like that, just because of all these shorts piled in here. But if not, shorts will take over and come back down. Yep, a Dark Trader, I see that. AGRI, yep, I see that. What do I think of Ultra trending up? I think you might have waited a minute until you asked that question, because now it's not. Now it's pulling back. Also, another thing I don't really like about Ultra is it's really beaten down from its highs. It used to be a $30 stock, and we're at 12 bucks. So VTNR, I knew VTNR was at highs, but this low volume and choppiness, look how the candles are barely moving. I'm not gonna play that, so I'm gonna leave that alone. AGRI is probably one of our top trades right now, or PIK if somehow we start pulling back up, but this right here gave it away. So I'm just gonna sit patiently and wait for a trade, because you know I will trade the best setups, not just try everything. If PIK can't hold 225, next bounce 214 and 207, 13 EMA. If can't hold those, then it's completely done. So 225, that's exactly where it is. Let's see if we can hold. Everybody coming from Sean's, so 116 of you guys here. What would you set a stop for long on AGRI? 285. What? AFRM. AFRM is at $24, $26 stock, right? $27 stock. Pretty pricey. Pretty pricey. No. Your trade here is this micro pullback, right? I preach this all the time. I just mentioned it earlier. Wait for that break of a certain pivot. AGRI. AGRI squeezing? Oh no, this looks like a short. Everybody piling short on AGRI. Watch this down, this uptrend support break. Watch this uptrend support break on AGRI probably. Here's the shorts piling in. Flush right through VWAP. Flush right through VWAP. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, guys, I'm telling you ahead of time. This is flushing right through that support, right through VWAP. If this closes below that, watch that micro pullback. This is upside down. Look at it upside down. This is what they want. They want to close right below that. Take a micro pullback, enter another short, another leg down, right? That's what they want. So don't catch this falling knife either. Yeah, I don't hear my fan, right? I turned my fan all back on. So here's their micro pullback. Watch this. This is people adding short here. People are going to add short here. There's the shorts. There's a oh wow. There's a retest probably there. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it's actually going to hold, but I don't think so. We'll just keep watching it. Let's see. Why is wheat moving opposite to AGRI? Yeah, sniper trades. I'm also not the dip buyer kind of person, so I'm leaving everything alone until I see the setup that I want. So VRU, if you want another short, VRU maybe crack down for nowhere lower low. I mean, there's a, so I called out that 1513, right? I think a lot of you guys were on here when I said 1513 is another level from yesterday, right? So watch this right here, that 1513, right? Once you got over it, you started pulling back up, right? You started squeezing, you started hitting a new high. You broke that support, you came right under that 1515, and there is your retest of 1515, clear right there. That's your short entry there for that retest. Pull back down to lows, there's your profit right there. And there's your new lower low. VRU is done. VERU is done. Darth Trader, yep, crack that trend line on on AGRI. Good job. Juan trades type a dash before the ticker. I haven't typed any tickers. Are you talking about the there's a short that I was calling out on AGRI. Dark Trader and I were calling out. I mentioned this is their little micro pullback to them. If you want it short, I call that short. Probably plenty of time for you guys to jump in on it. I don't short stocks. I don't jump in short, but there's your trade. There's your quick scalp right there. Right? UPST by Mersa says UPST's having a good day. Oh my gosh, a $50 stock. It was $25 not too long ago. Huh. DPSI is coming back up. Look at VWB. Low volume. So a lot of you guys are new here, obviously. You'll see that I don't trade probably as much as other people. I've seen a lot of people online or YouTube. They're like literally click buy, sell a lot. You're right. I'm not buying or selling that much. Yeah. What are you talking about on my watch list? Dash AGRI. Oh, hold on. Dash AGRI. What does that do? What the heck did that do? Does it take everything away? Oh, you can see the inverse? Holy crap, wait a second. Did y'all know that was a thing? There's no way I did not know that. There's no way I didn't know that. What the heck? Ape Trades, I think most of us didn't know that either. Rio Trader knew, but it looks like Dart Trader surprised JChan69. Oh my gosh. Oh, this looks like a clean buy to me. Can I buy it now? Can I buy it? Does it flip it as a short?
That's because we help you filter and prioritize only the most qualified candidates.
I was wondering what the heck happened. Bro, that is awesome. Every time I'm over here telling you guys just go like this and then you see the short, all I can do is type that negative in front of it and then it flips it. You're just now telling me this? That is awesome. Yeah, I had no idea that it does that. I had no idea. Anyways, I was saying, yeah, guys, for everybody that's here, I will probably take the most quality setups with good volume as opposed to trading everything. So currently up about, which one was that? Oh, BBIG. BBIG. Hey, Blair, were you in on BBIG? You took a trade on BBIG. I took one down here. I guess I had the bottom of it too, but.
Sign up for a free 14-day trial at shopify.com/radio and start selling today. Shopify.com/radio.
Oh, I guess that's what you're asking. How do you do that again? Yeah, so yeah, I missed it too, but oh well. So yeah, guys, I don't take that many trades, but my trades are all pretty high percentage because I wait for the right trades. Let me see. Go to Trader View. Go to Reports. Go to Detail. No, go to Win and Loss Ratio. Frick. There we go. That's my winning percentage. 72% win rate as opposed to 27% lose rate. That are some pretty high probabilities. On my winning days, 74% of my trades are winners. 25, a quarter of them are losers. Average daily win, 800. Average daily loss. I do lose more than I make, but my winning percentage is what keeps me. DPSI is coming back, man. DPSI is gonna get halted again. Yeah, DPSI is halting again, man. Let's see. DPSI is a risky play, though. If you're messing with DPSI, drop your share size by a lot, man. I'm telling you, this stock is moving by dollars, not even cents, not even pennies. It's moving by dollars. Y'all like this song? Can y'all hear the song pretty good? It's pretty good, right? Jesperanza, you were calling out that halt on DPSI. Does Texas have conchas? Are you talking about the little that bread food? The one that's it's like just a piece of bread, but on the top it's got like the glazed little parts. But it's yeah, bro. I'm sure you find it everywhere. It's Texas, man. You got Mexican stores everywhere. You got Mexican grocery places everywhere. Now I don't know that the Mexican food is as good as the Mexican food should be, but you definitely can find some conchas around. Now I also live in a small town, so probably not exactly where I live, but I'm sure Austin, San Antonio, Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston, all these places have some sort of Mexican places, right? They are bigger in Texas. Yeah, I get that, so. How many of you in here speak Spanish? Does anybody in here speak Spanish? Somebody said saludos earlier, so that's cool, but anybody else speak Spanish? Great Mexican out here. I do. Casey Trades does. Hey, there we go. Mercer, you speak Spanish? Or you're just joking with me? Morta, you speak... Oh, wait a second. Holy crap, is there that many Hispanics in here? O sea, si hablo en español, igual me entienden todos. Son un chorro ustedes. Italian. We got an Italian in here. Más o menos, poquito. I still understand there. Yeah, it's what's up, pato? Somos muchos, no manches, en serio. No Spanish here. Anybody? Puro Spanglish. So it looks like this one did get halted. Sorry guys, everybody in here. I know you guys are kind of new, but 15-20 minutes is usually my prime time. That's where I took AGRI trade, lost on that one. PIK, another trade. 2 trades right in there. So those were good trades. DPSI is a pretty risky play. I didn't really see. Maybe your entry would be right here. That micro pullback, you get strong volume come in. Look at this candle here. Break the VWAP. That's your micro pullback there. If you would have gone in there, you could take some partials out and then have a runner that you would be in a halt now. So that would have been good. But other than that, I mean, AMC is on my momentum scanner, but these stocks, I mean, you know, they're just a meme, guys. As much as I like Wall Street bets, as much as I like Reddit, as much as I like all the apes out there, I don't know that I'm just gonna buy and hold just something for the stupidity of it. I'm sorry, but I mean, I'll find for day trades on it. A clean break right there, candle make new high, dip it there. You start climbing back up. Here's your support, or your resistance. There's your resistance right there. You take that market pullback right before. There's your entry, clean breakout through that. So there's that. Hey Morte, you're done for today. Did you take another trade? I think you were green going into market open, so appreciate that. Saludos desde Argentina. What's up, man? I could have told that from your what time do I start live stream? I usually start it 15 minutes before market open. So 15 minutes before market open, I'll start coming in here. This is what I was called as a kid. 15 minutes before I start looking at the gappers, and then start trading. Yeah, I usually trade an hour and a half a day, and then I call it a day. Edward trades also up there. Jim said okay, appreciate it, man. So yeah, if this is y'all's first time here, I don't usually have this many people on here, so please give me some feedback on the stream. Things you like, things you didn't like, how I can improve it. Music's too loud, too not. You hate this music. Anything, guys. So appreciate all the feedback. So, and glad to have you guys here. Oh my gosh, DPSI is gonna be halted for a while. This halted at 9:14, 9:19. Time and sales is now all white. Let's see, AFRM also back on my momentum scanner, but this is already pretty extended over its move. Look at this 5-minute chart right there. DPSI is unhalted actually. Terrible resumption on DPSI. Don't chase that. Terrible resumption on DPSI. Oh my god, never mind. Chase it if you want. Holy frick. Can we get some quick scalps in here though? 12.5 is our high. Can we get all the way up to 12.5? Let's see. What are we getting stuck at? What is this? $9? $9.50? $9.50 is a break. Sniper trades, you got an over $9.50. Anybody got orders set over $9.51, $9.52? Profit $10. adding on your short on AGRI. Yep. AGRI, that trend line support broke. After that is all shorts game. How long have I been trading and what did you start with? I have been trading for almost 3 years. I believe somewhere around August, September, it'll be my 3-year mark. This IQ was a play from a couple days ago, so I still have it on my chart. 414 is a high of IQ, so I'm just gonna put an alert somewhere up here at $4, right below $4. Honestly, I want to take some dip trades right here on DPSI. Right there would have been your ad. I missed that ad right there. How long did I swim trade? Everybody knows this question. The people that have been watching me know this answer. How long did I do simulating trading for? How long did I paper trade for? Come on, man. This is a real test to see who's listening, who's not. Okay, watch this. This is a 1250. There's a 1250 break. I mean, the 950 break. Profit $10. Didn't quite get $10, but 2 weeks. Sniper trade. There we go. 2 weeks. Correct. I paper traded 2 weeks. Didn't I mention I wanted an ad down here? Missed it. Missed it. I also mentioned that 950 trade. I said have an order 951. Didn't do any of those two. Could have had a winner down here. Could have had a winner up there for a breakout. Sniper trades are 3 days. Oh, you had it right the first time. Hold on. I'm seeing a lot of comments. So you work with account size you work with. This account, I'm actually in the process of switching some money out to another one because I have a lot of long-term holds on this account, and so I know some of you guys are gonna be like, well, let me see your broker statement, and it doesn't really reflect it because I got some long-term stuff on here. But I just opened up an account and I put 30K into that account. It should be all ready, so I just got to move the 40 or 50 that I'm using to trade on this one and move it over to that one. So I should have that other account ready, set and go to be trading soon. Break of $10 here. Watch that trade. So yes, I traded for 2 weeks in a paper trading account. So I'll tell this story. I got a lot of you guys on here. I always say it. I think I even said it yesterday. So I started learning stocks through Forex. You know how Forex people are. I even hate saying the F word, Forex. Got into stocks with Forex, did a lot of research on YouTube. I guess just through YouTube I ended up finding stocks because I had nobody that traded stocks. I had friends that traded Forex. Yeah, my other account is with TD as well, so I just have to connect them. BBIG is running. Oh my gosh, Blair, this hurts us. Blair, this hurts me and hurts you, right? Frick, man. It's the same trader. It's the same broker. Sorry, the same broker is what I'm using. So I just have 2 accounts with it. You can have multiple accounts. DPSI is trying to break that $10. Yep. But we're spiking over 950. We can't even hold 950. So that's psychological resistance first. 950 cannot break and cannot hold. So I started learning stocks. Started learning all of that. I think I literally sat down and watched videos for 6 to 8 months. Just straight up watched videos, didn't trade or anything. Opened my account, and then took me about another month or 2 months to just learn the platform, how to set it all up, have all my charts on my watch list, all my studies, all my hotkeys, all of that. It took me about another month or something to just figure that out. So if you're starting a brand new beginner and you want to learn how to day trade, my first recommendation, my first tip is just open the account already and just play with your account from the beginning. I don't care if you don't know about stocks, just open the account and start playing with it. This could be a little pullback here for another move through $10. Yep. Missed that entry again, man. $10 is not gonna hold. So once I opened my account and started trading with with paper money, I quickly realized with the amount of money that I was trading, which was similar to what I had, that I could make a lot of money. So I quickly just switched that up a paper trading account and put money in there. But even though I was over PDT rule, I still made 10, 20, $30 a day until I knew that I was consistent and I was having more green days than red days and more profit than losses. Then I bumped it up to $50 a day. Then I bumped it up to $100 a day, you know. And then here I am, 2.5, 3 years later, sitting at $900 a day. Now, actually, last year I was making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a day, but this market has just been rough. Haven't been feeling comfortable to take big trades. This one would have been a good one. This one would have played out pretty good returns on this one. So definitely missed all my entries on this one. I guess I'm not used to talking so much either, so I have a look over. A lot of you guys are on here. Kind of missed a couple of trades. One obvious trade I would have jumped in was right there, and then right here. Actually, I hesitated on this dip on that one. Missed that, and then here, once this candle finally closed, I say this all the time, and I repeat myself. Once that candle closes above your support, your resistance, whatever, these candles didn't, but this one did. 950 is your psychological resistance, right? 950 is your psychological resistance. When you finally close above 950, take that next micro pullback, because now you really push them out and now you really are in control of that area, right? Take that next micro pullback. I said get in on here, quick break of 10, take your profit, right? That would have been my other entry. Now $10 will not hold. DPSI is the only one showing up on my momentum scanner now, along with AMC, which I didn't look at again, but I'll pull in back now. 100, yeah, I got an audience now. This song is dope. I used to have this on repeat. Awesome. What's it called though? Oh my god, DPSI, man. We're gonna get a 1250 break. I just know it. But I gotta get used to it, man. I gotta have 100 people average now. Later on, I gotta work for this. Tradecaster is gonna keep growing. What's up with the sexual playlist? I didn't. Which song? I think I have it on shuffle with Russ. I think Russ is the station I have it on right now. AGRI, you need to see 285 break. Yep, still short on AGRI, guys. I called the short way up here at $3. Oh, sorry guys. Hey, if you got any station requests or something, let me know. I don't want to be playing nasty stuff. Sometimes it's just in the back of my freaking headset, so it's just filler music. I barely listen to it. IQ for possible short. Now I just heard sucking on my fingers while you let me hit it or something like that. IQ, watch IQ. You have trended right back up above 180 SMA. So watch this to hold. You could probably get a pullback down again to that 370s area on IQ, but 414 is right around the corner, and IQ has been trending recently, so I'd be careful with that one and just keep it on watch. That's why I put an alert at $4. I only play the long game, so I have an alert at $4. If later today or tomorrow it starts climbing up to $4, it'll set up for a nice trade through 415. Hopefully tomorrow. AGRI, if you got in that short, I think Kyrian, you're asking me for a short. I mentioned this is that micro pullback for the shorts up here. There you go, clean move. BBIG still climbing up. PIK unfortunately let us down. PIK let us down. DPSI is the only stock that we can find some trades in, but this is a risky stock. Sniper Trades is now up 850 for the day. There you go, Sniper Trades. A little fire emoji for Sniper Trades has been in here. Look at this squeeze on DPSI. 1250s are high. Where's 1150? Watch 11.50. Watch $11 to hold, maybe. Might take a dip under at $11 if this next candle. I don't want to chase this, but I do want to take a trade on it. Keep falling, keep falling, keep falling, keep falling. There we go. Sell some there. Got 300 shares left. Watch this break here. Take another 100 out. Up 124. Now I got 200 shares left. How about I just let it run? Can it actually let me run for once? Can I actually get a run for once if I break even? Get all the way up to 12.50. I called this dip off 11, a little bit off 11, said 11.50 break, up $150, got 200 shares for a runner. I need this to fly, baby, fly, get some wings. If this starts picking up momentum, $12 is right around the corner. We could halt on the way up. I'm gonna take 100 out there. I got 100 shares left. Played it real small size. Holy crap. There we go. Now we're picking. Now we're picking it up. Now we're picking it up. Watch this $12 break here. $12 right around the corner. Buy orders are piling in, man. But now somebody's just absorbing them. Let's see what the ass looks like. It looks tiny to me. Come on. There we go. $12 on the dot. Watching $12 break. Take a little bit on the other side of it. What's the bottom of this candle? 11.33. I'm gonna put my stop under that candle and just sit back. Whoa, what happened? Oh, wrong share size. I want to put a stop on 11.33 and sit back and just watch my money go up. $12.50 break is coming, guys. Maybe. $12 is now holding. Actually, that's $11.50 holding. Same trade that I took earlier. Bounce. This is what we do. We buy high and we sell higher. Sniper trades bought at 12. Oh, sniper trades. Oh, that's a bad fill if you got filled. But I still believe in this stock. I still think the stock is going to hit that 12.50. We didn't think it would. I thought it would slide back down after this halt down resumption, but it's climbing back up. There's no way we climb all of this for no reason. We climbed all of this because 12.50 is our target, right? I want to move this up a little bit. 50 shares is not going to do much, so just leave it there. But watch this. What is this? Oh, the $12 break again. These are buy points for buyers again down here. You're just coming into our territory, letting us pile in more so we can squeeze you out. Let's see what's happening. I'm still holding 50 shares. That's nothing, but currently up a little bit over $180. Let's see. SPY looks like it's hitting a new low of day according to Ahmed007. Sniper Trades took a trade on DPSI at 1201. I still like this. 1250 is around the corner. I think we can move a little bit higher. Jesus Christ, because I have held it longer. For real, man. Hey, we got... Oh, I stopped out. $169. So Sniper Trades got little 7 fire emojis on being up $850 today. Swole Granny is giving me a little bit of heart with say, hey, papito lindo. Good trade right there, huh? Just kidding. It was small size. So probably up. Hey, $12 break still. We were watching. Stopped out for Sniper Trades. Gave back 128. Good job on playing it smaller size though. You're up 850. Played a small size. Only $120 lost. That's not bad. $12 breaks is still right here, guys. Watch this candle close high. Maybe take another dip on that next one, and then rip through $12, $12.50. So if we get above this level, right? Hey Juan, you're doing great today. Thanks for streaming for us. Appreciate it, man. Thank you for being here. Hopefully you're learning a lot. Free knowledge, free mentoring, I guess. So hopefully you're learning a lot. I've seen you here before. If you got any questions, I always stress it. Oh, look at this move. I always stress it. Don't be scared to ask questions. Don't be scared to. If you're a beginner, intermediate level, if it's advanced, and I don't even know the answer, somebody else might know the answer, right? We're all here to help each other. So. Somebody was asking me, how do you know to pull the trigger there? Where was my entry? Oh, so where was my entry at? Right here, right? Okay, so this candle here is not just any kind of move. That candle is a little bit of a short squeeze, right? So this is fine. This is a little bit of a short squeeze. These are just candles trending up. This is candle. All of this right here is candles just slightly getting pushed up. But these are sellers that are finally getting squeezed out. So this candle, the way it ripped up and just held up, held that level, moved up, held that level, moved up, held that level. The way that candle is moving up is squeezing shorts out, and buyers are stepping in to hold those levels, right? So when you get that candle closed, usually that next one is your micro pullback. You get on that micro pullback there, tiny little dip trade there, add, especially when you know that psychological resistances are right above it. So 1150 was right there. I don't know if it's going to break 1150. I never know if these stocks are going to break, right? We're all just plain statistics, probabilities, but I know 1150 psychologically people are shorting it there, right? Which means if I get a break through 1150, I might get a squeeze up. But if I don't, I can at least expect to hit 1150, right? I can at least expect to touch 1150 and take some profits there. So if I know I'm right below 1150 and I take a dip trade to 1150, I'm going to take some profit out of 1150, take some out there, move my runner up as it's squeezing through 1150, took some out more on that candle. Now I know $12 is around the corner, right? $12. I don't know if we're breaking $12. I don't know if we're going to hit $12. I don't know if we're going to fly through $12, hit 1250, get a new high out there, right? I don't know that, but I can at least know that we might get close enough to touch $12. So I'm going to hold that trade, put a runner, take out a little bit more, and then I think at that point I just put my stop loss right below that 1150, because now it's backwards, right? Now it's not our resistance. Now 1150 is our territory. That's our support. So I put that stop loss below 1150. If it got triggered, then oh well, I'm out of the trade. If it keeps running up, then I still had whatever that trade was, 50 shares. Not much, but you know. Blair looks like he's out for the day. Blair, how did you end up doing today?
We're here for you and all the ones who get it done. With 24/7
Someone on Twitter said SPY will close above 525 before January.
Call clickgranger.com or just stop by.
January of 2025, maybe.
Who get it done.
Save on berries for your spring
I saw a chart yesterday. I think it was on Reddit. I saw a chart of 2008 compared to 2000 this year. And man, those charts looked identical. They looked identical. Now watch this level here, guys. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles that could not break that level, right? It should show on your chart where you placed your buy. Yeah, I've done that before. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it takes a while. See, it doesn't show it right away, but then out of nowhere, it'll just spawn on here. So watch this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 candles could not break $12, right? 5 candles could not break $12. That right there is a bearish signal, right? That we can't break over that. Usually you get 1, 3, 2 candles at a resistance, something like that, and then you break through it. But 5 candles too much. This little candle, good green candle, turned around by a red one, followed it back down, and then halted down. So, but I honestly don't think the stock is done. Even though it's halted down, this might freaking come back up later on. So, see, I clicked show my trades and it still doesn't show it. I just have to undo it and do it again until it finally works. I don't know why it does that. Look, it's annoying. So Blair looks like Blair was up $10 again. His streak keeps growing and growing. I think I'm on a little green streak too. Let me see. I think I might be catching up to you, Blair. You better watch out. So my green streak. Wednesday last week made 400. Thursday last week made 300. Friday last week made 700. Had some Neo calls over the weekend that made me 500. Monday yesterday 200. Tuesday yesterday 300. Today up, what am I up today? 169. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm on 6 days green right now if I stop right here, right now. Right here, right now, up. I think I'm up. Let's just do the math. 169 minus 24 plus 577, right? Up $722 today. I'm right there with you, Sniper Trades. How's everybody else doing? Everybody, post your profits. I've never used this because I don't usually have that many people. But everybody, go to Profits tab and show how much you're up today. Let's go, let's go. Everybody, come on. Let me start the trend. Up 720. Oh, 722 today. Let's go, team. There we go. Vicky VP Trades up $3. I love it. QB Trader up $2.69. I don't care if you're losing money, guys. If you're losing, just post it on the chat. I lose money all the time. Pauline's Penny up $56. Millie up $7 on AGR. Cool Hand Luke 143. Better than negative. Hey, oh, I thought that was a negative sign. You are green. Everybody's green. Come on. D-Rob negative 55. That looks like a small loss. D-Rob, you'll get it back. No worries. Krasil up 100. Oh no, down 121. Sorry, Krasil. I pumped you up a little bit. Opson's Jester 501. Still short on VRU. You're holding a short still? There we go. You're gonna be up a little bit more by the end of the day. Knowing Knox increased his loss to 1400. Knowing Knox, careful there, man. I've seen you trade. You can do it. You can get it back. Don't increase your red day though. If you're done for the day, call it done for the day. Turn off your PC and then walk away, man. You can do it. You can get it back. I know if you trade before. Key Doppel or K Doppel, whatever. Negative 108. Public Guy up 616. Sniper Trades up 730. Sniper Trades, you and I are hand on hand, man. I think I'm up 722. I think you're up on me. Joey down 300. Ouch, Joey. You can get it back, man. You'll get it back. I'll look for a good trade for you next time. We got it. We got it. Let's do this. I muted my mic. Sorry. Hanish, $0 today. Better to not take a trade than to be red, so good job there. If you missed your entry, then oh well. You'll find another one tomorrow. SS Traits, negative 25.
Cause they just fall in love if you fuck them the fourth. Don't get me wrong, I really like it when we're vibing, but when I'm in another city, shh, be quiet. Shut the fuck up right now and let me be me. Shut the fuck up right now, let me do my.
Alright, so DPSI is still halted. Now, oh, 127 viewers. Okay, let me go back to the other one. Jim, up a small 45. Hey, Jims, I don't care what you're up. If you're up, you're up. If you made money, you made money. Almost exactly 700 shorting VRU. VRU is a perfect short today. AGRI was a perfect short today. Sometimes I wish I was a short trader, but not what I'm used to and haven't really tried it. So Ape Trades is up $15. MRSA is up green today as well. DXB Jamie had a good analysis but was a little scared to pull the trigger. If you ever get scared, if you're ever hesitant to take a trade, that's probably a gut feeling that you're telling you to not take it. So better to stay away from those than to always be forcing trades. Do I look at level 2 or time and sales? Honestly, I look at time and sales a little more than level 2. A lot of people are probably backwards, but I think the level 2 and Thinkorswim is a POS. So I just never was used to looking at a level 2, and therefore I use time and sales a little bit more. Oh my god, and those two charts of the 2008 and this year, holy crap, it was still way lower, so I'm not I think I took a picture of it. I did take a picture of it, but I don't think you guys are going to see it, and I don't think I can post it from my phone unless I log in. I don't know that you guys can see it. You probably are not going to be able to see it. Oh, actually, you might be able to. There we go. That blue line is this year. 2008 is obviously the other one. And look, it's literally bouncing up and down in the exact same places. It's crazy. Market repeats itself, man. And 2008 still crashed. That obviously was a crash. But yeah. Do you use hotkeys on Thinkorswim? I do. Let me see if I could just... Let me just go. Oh, guys, another thing. I know a lot of you guys are new on here. I currently... Well, actually, I currently still work the job. But I put in my 2 weeks 2 weeks ago. So this is actually my last week of working. And then I'm going to be doing this full-time, streaming for you guys. Day trading full-time, helping people out full-time, right? So I got in on my phone. And let me post this chart here for you guys. Let's see. There we go. I think I posted it, right? Look at that comparison of 2008 and this year. That is a scary, scary drop. Anyways. There's... Oh my god, Ape Trades. You know all the secrets to Thinkorswim, don't you? I didn't know you could do that on Thinkorswim either. Hey Stark8765, you found my Discord through TikTok. I'm trying to learn all this. Hey, you're in the right place, man. I'll help you get started. Can y'all see that chart? It looks black unless you click on it. There we go. Kind of blurry. It was on my phone or whatever, but so yeah, I am. This is my last week working, so now I'm gonna be doing this full time for you guys. So if you ever come back, I want to be here every single day now. But with that being said, that means I have to stop the stream in about 5 minutes to go ahead and go to my job. Actually, I was planning on picking up some donuts or something just so I can bribe them a little bit. They're not mad at me, right? Vicky VPN Trades. I am sorry. I saw that question a while ago and I completely forgot to answer. Yes, most of my trades are pretty quick. Most of them are scalps, but you know, every time you get a scalp, you always have that runner to help you out. Today, unfortunately, my runners actually didn't play out. Oh, this one shows it. Look at this. The other one didn't. So I bought in here, took some profits there. I had a stop loss somewhere around here with my runner. I stopped out too early right there with 5,000 shares. Otherwise, 5,000 shares here would have ran me a little bit more. Bought back in on this pullback. This is that same break of resistance. Hold the top. Really show them you're in control now. Buy that micro pullback right there, 253. You could see I bought literally almost by 1 penny missed the bottom of that candle. Pulled back up, 256. Sold 4 cents from the high of that candle. Sold 3 cents from the high of this candle. I mean, I am nailing this bottoms and nailing the tops, man. But so this is my scalp here. Pulled out it there. Came back up. First candle making new high. Micro pullback, didn't get on that one, got in on this one. Also 2,500 shares there for another stop. You can see this one I stopped at 252, so that was my stop loss, but I had a 5,000 share runner that got stopped out here and a 2,500 share runner that got stopped out here. But if this would have broken like I thought it would, this $577 win should have been $800, $900 win with those extra 7,500 shares, so definitely missed that. Looks like DPSI is unhalted. Let's see if now it'll show my trades. It does show my trades. We buy high and sell higher, right? $169 profit on this one, so there we go. Do you have a YouTube channel or Instagram? I do. If you check, I think my Discord will have it all, or you can find my TikTok. Just search Juan Trades. My YouTube, I haven't been posting as much, but now that I'm not gonna be working, my job is to post a daily recap every single day of my trades, summarize them. So now that you can see my trades right there with the little arrows, I'll try to explain them and all that stuff. So what did I used to do? I have an accounting degree, but worked at a vet clinic and then kind of on the corporate side of them as well, so just kind of paper stuff or accounting stuff, so I did that. Old am I? Jess Branson knows my age. She right there, 23 years old, 24 in June. Watts DPSI, guys. DPSI 1250 today. Almost certain it's gonna get up there again. There's no way you come and halted it, then 2 candles back up. This has got room still. But unfortunately, that calls it for me. That is going to be it for me today. Let's see exactly how much I'm up. I think it was 722 that I thought I was up. But let's do the actual math. Let's go here. Let's go export file. Go ahead and save it. Go over to Trader View. Import trades. Select that same file that I just saved. 518. That's today, Wednesday. Got 2 days in the week. Refresh status. Go look at my journal. And up. Oh, actually, Sniper Trades. Uh-oh, Sniper Trades. I got you by $5, Sniper Trades. So up 735 today, up 300 on yesterday, up 144 on Monday, up 500 on Saturday, up 705 on Friday, up 286 on Thursday. Let's keep it going, man. I don't stop. I don't stop. Alright, guys. I appreciate everybody in here, man. A lot of you guys on here. 120 of you guys in here. It was some calls that I had for Neo. It was some calls that I had for Neo that I ended up closing. I think it just took the profit on Saturday or somehow. But, whatever. Yeah, I usually make my TikToks out of my lives, but I haven't had time. But I'm telling you guys, next week I'm gonna grind and grind. Here we go. Look at this. Here we go. Back to this level here. Holy crap! Are we really gonna squeeze up? I don't want to take another trade, but I want to take another trade, but I don't want to take another trade, but I'm running late for work and I don't give a crap. I'm quitting. Hey, you know, I went to the doctor and I diagnosed myself with some what do I call it? Not a disease, but illness. I self-diagnosed with an illness. The illness I self-diagnosed myself is called 2-week-itis because I don't give a crap no more. Call out. No, I gotta go today because the people that I got good along with are on Wednesday. And so at least I want to say bye to these people. So guys, I gotta head out. I'll be back here tomorrow. I don't know who's gonna be here tomorrow, who's not. Watch DPSI again. Watch the break of 12. Squeeze straight through 1250. Unfortunately, I can't trade it, but even if I was, I might already be stepping out away anyways because I'm up $722 and actually $735, and I'm calling it there. So everybody, I appreciate you guys being here. Thanks for coming in, stopping by. Hope you like it. Please subscribe. Please leave a review on there. If you're in my Discord, if you're on anything, ask me any questions. Leave me some feedback on the stream. What did you like? What did you not like? What can I do better? What can I get rid of? I already know one of them is going to be playing less sexual music, I guess. So whoever made that comment, I'm sorry about that. So appreciate everybody here, guys. So watch DPSI, man. Watch DPSI. Anyways, I am gonna call it there. Lock in my profit. Holy crap. I just can't walk away, guys. I can't walk away. I can't walk away. I can't do this. I can't do this. This is gonna rip through 1250. This is gonna rip through 1250. Watch this candle close above. Watch this candle close above $12. Watch the next micro pullback. $12 micro pullback. Next one, small trade, take it up to 1250. Watch it. Calling it now. Candle has 15 seconds to close. Looks good so far. 14 seconds to close. More buyers coming in. Definitely gonna squeeze 1250. Hit a new high. Watch this next micro pullback though. Candle closes in 3 seconds. Watch the next trade. A little bit of a dip trade right there. Get in and then watch the pull up. Watch the pull up, and lock in some profit there. There we go. Did I not say that? That is a scout. I'm out, guys. I'm out. I added about another $50. Now I got to go back and redo all my thing. Watch the 1250 break, squeeze up to $13. I'm out for that trade. Didn't want to risk it. Made another, what, $60, $70 on that real quick as I was calling it. You got to be fast. You got to set up your hotkeys, boys. You're going to be late. Oh, I'm already late, guys. I got to head out. I'm sorry. See you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you guys being in here. So, see you guys tomorrow. I just got to see a 1250 break. I'm sorry. I'm done. 1255 break. There you go. See you guys tomorrow.